Hello, Long Island, Rockland, New York, and New Jersey. I hope everybody's doing well. The Affinity team in particular, what I'm reaching out to you with today is a quick video concentrating on our conversion because that's priority one between now and the end of the year, in particular on our home find. So the buyers that we're working with in our Affinity programs, our Affinity buyers, that's what we really want to concentrate on. So let's take a look at how we're going to change things up a little bit and do things a little bit differently. So first of all, our home find conversion rate goals for this year is 65%. Currently in Long Island, or on Long Island, we are converting at a 45%, and New Jersey, Rockland County at 53%. So we're going to get those numbers up. I'm going to show you exactly how. How are we going to improve those numbers? We're going to have a new closeout procedure. We're going to reference the closeout codes, which we'll go over next. And the leads are going to go to those agents who are converting at the highest rates to get those numbers up. We started implementing this last year in New Jersey and Rockland, New York, and that's improved our numbers. Of course, our goal has gone up, so we're going to need to step up our game a little bit. And this is how we're going to do it. First of all, I want you to start thinking of every lead that comes in one at a time and start treating it like every lead that comes in is your last lead. That you're not going to receive a lead after that, and you really want to concentrate on that member and that client. Let's take a look at the closeout codes. If you look at the sheet that I have up on the screen, on the left-hand side is the closeout reason, and on the right-hand side is how it's going to impact our conversion. If it counts against our conversion, it's marked as a no sale. If it doesn't count against our conversion, it's marked as a decline. So this is going to help you gear your notes in the right way. Now, I really want to concentrate on is the Affinity buyers for Navy Federal Credit Union, Better Mortgage, and AARP. Those are our three big lead sources that will affect our conversion rate if we close out things properly. So if you're closing things out or are going to leave a note that will result in a no sale on this chart, what I want you to do is reach out to me first and we'll talk about that. We'll talk about what the options are. And if it's going to be a decline, just go ahead and leave that note and ask for that file to be closed out. That's perfectly fine. So if there's a no sale reason, and I'm going to go over our two highest no sale reasons and that count against our conversion, and I'm going to ask you to stop requesting that files be closed out for these two reasons. Please stop saying in your notes that you cannot reach and you're not getting a response from that member, or the move is canceled and postponed. So these are your other options that I want you to consider when these situations arise. So if you cannot reach and you're not getting a response from that member, please leave a note that says still reaching out to that member or still attempting to reach that member. That will keep the ball rolling and keep that file moving along a little bit better for you. Remember, we want to keep reaching out to them because at one time they did have a housing need. Things might have changed personally for them, but it's still a lead that you can still convert on. The other reason and closeout code is the move, cancel, and postponed reason. And then what I want you to do is look deeper and question that member. Could they not qualify for a mortgage maybe? Did their destination change out of our market area? Or did the pandemic even affect their home search? If it's one of these three reasons, please let the specialist know. Let me know also, and we'll gear the notes properly so that that file is closed out accordingly in a way that won't count against our conversion. So these simple steps will definitely, I guarantee, improve our performance as far as conversion goes for our Affinity home finding conversion. And it's not that bad. We can do it, and I have the confidence that following these steps and including me in the process, if you have a no sale, will definitely help out. So what I want you to do is, now that you've seen this whole video, is respond to the email that I sent and let me know that you saw the video. All you have to do is respond with the word conversion. And until next time, I hope you have a great day.